Chocolate rocks is an activity I've seen done many times, a few different ways, but this is what we have come up with that works the best. A colleague of mine, Miss Carlisle, decided that using Candy Quick to melt into magma was the best kind of chocolate, which kept us from burning chocolate chips over and over and stinking up the whole school. We melted it in the microwave and then poured it on wax paper at each table, and it cools pretty quickly and hardens into an igneous rock. Then we allowed the students to gather together some sediments. There are chocolate drops, white chocolate drops, maybe butterscotch, and Miss Carlisle also found this time caramel drops, which I had never seen before, but they worked great. So students gather a few of each of these into a Ziploc bag, and then they're first going to make a sedimentary rock out of their sediment. So they squeeze this together, and there's a little heat from their hand, but really it's the pressure that's doing most of the work. And we'll compare that to metamorphic rocks later. And they mash these together until they have a sedimentary rock. It's still pretty crumbly, which of course sedimentary rocks are. Then Miss Carlisle did the greatest thing. She gathered them all on the carpet and she read to them a book about how rocks change over time. But while she was sitting there reading, they were playing with the bags of sediment. Some of them set the bags down beside them and listened. Other kids, of course, played with it the whole time, and the heat from their hands did, over time, cause it to change into metamorphic rock. So after reading the book, she was able to hold up each bag, and students could tell her if it was still a sedimentary rock, individual pieces easy to see, a little bit crumbly, or metamorphic rock with all the different sediments smeared together, or igneous rock. And there were a few kids that squeezed it and heated it so much that it was just all melted chocolate, all one color. It was Grandparents' Visitation Day at our school the day this was done, and we all had a great time.